welcome to KEE'S. So today I'm going to be doing a little makeup challenge. Today's look was sent in by the beautiful G Meeks. Shout out to you. So I'm going to hurry up and get right on into it. So I already have my eyebrows done. The artist, I'm going to have to figure out, because I saw like on the eyebrow there was like a faint like little name. The artist, they did like a soft brow, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to go over my eyes with like a lighter concealer. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna bring you guys back. Okay, so now that I have the concealer on, I'm gonna start in the crease area and just kind of like, or you know what, I should probably trace it. I'm gonna trace it first. That's what I'll do. That'll make it easier for me. Having a hard time. Oh my. Y'all, this was actually kind of hard. Okay, we got a challenge, a real challenge. Why can't I get this? Okay, maybe it needs to be higher. You know what? I'm just gonna make it low again. This is gonna be interesting. So I'm gonna just work with that. It kind of looks like that. I should have done this earlier. Okay, so now, should I even set this in? Oh gosh. Oh my. It just keeps getting worse and worse. I guess that's fine.
Nope.
I guess this is okay. I guess. Oh. Go up. Gosh. Oh. Snap. I think I got it. All right, I'm gonna set this. I'm gonna come right back. Okay, y'all, so it's just gonna be like music playing because I gotta really focus with this one. And I got sudden spur in my eyes again. So I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. So hopefully I get the look done. I look crazy right now. So let me just go ahead and get into doing this makeup look.
Now.
Everything was going fine until I got to the eyeliner. I'm gonna keep trying to work on it. I'm gonna keep trying to work on it. Oh, there's a moth in here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. So I managed to fix up the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the green on the other side. Oh my gosh. It's coming along though. Like, it looks like the picture. I like it. I'm kind of upset. The reason why I keep turning the camera off is because I don't have that much space. So I'm gonna bring you guys back.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so I finished the look. I do apologize. I should have had like way more footage on the camera. I thought the 60 minutes would have been more than enough, you know, time, but apparently not. I was able to get it though. So yeah, this is the final look. I like it. The only thing I did, y'all, was just put the green on. I did put highlighter on, blush. I only used one color. It was like in a burnt orange. And as for my lipstick, it's just like a brown and orange with like this little, I don't know, it's just some lip gloss. And I did line my lips with burgundy. And that's the final look, y'all. I didn't do anything super crazy, but I like the look. I like the look a lot. Thanks again. Shout out to G Meeks. Shout out to the beautiful G Meeks. She sent me this, and she sent me quite a few of them. And I mean, hey, y'all just gonna get some more videos. This was cool. So that's it for this video. Again, I said I'm gonna make sure I have enough footage, okay, you know, enough space so you guys can see everything. What I ended up doing was just kind of like cleaning up and just going around it to make it look neater. That was really it. So that's it for this video. I love y'all. Send me some submissions, y'all. Send me them. I'm really excited for any challenges, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.